This week's state Supreme Court ruling to halt the impeachment of a Kentucky judge is stirring even more legal questions in Frankfort, with the Senate appearing to keep its timeline intact for the trial. Bodie Brooks reports on what the next steps could be.
We're in unprecedented waters here.
Kentucky's state senate is still scheduled to proceed on hearing the impeachment trial against Fayette County Circuit Court Judge Julie Goodman, even after the state Supreme Court issued a ruling to drop the impeachment altogether.
Andrew Jackson was said to say, now the Supreme Court has ruled, now let's let them enforce it. Apparently he never said that, but it's certainly the idea is something that's translated over the ages.
Fox 56 News political analyst Jonathan Miller says in most cases, yes, the state Supreme Court would constitutionally have the final say, but the legislature disputes if the court has the authority to step in on the constitutional powers they hold.
I think their strongest argument is that this is a matter for the judiciary, that the judiciary has systems on how to discipline attorneys and judges within it. On the other hand, it is fairly clear in the Constitution that the legislature has the power to impeach.
Articles of impeachment were passed by the State House of Representatives on March 20th, alleging misdemeanors in office that rose to abuse of power and ignoring binding precedents, following the High Court's April 6th ruling to drop the impeachment for not meeting the definition of a misdemeanor and not affording Goodman due process. Senate President Robert Stivers issued a statement saying, in part, the Senate's focus remains on carrying out its duties as outlined in the Constitution of Kentucky, that each branch of government operates with integrity, and that concerns about judicial conduct can be raised and addressed without fear of retaliation.
If the trial happens and she's acquitted, I imagine it'll be all said and done. If the trial happens and she's convicted, then I would imagine there would be further court adjudication, and conceivably we could see this go into the federal courts, into the U.S. Supreme Court ultimately.
The Senate's current timeline is allowing 3 days for the House prosecution to present its case, followed by 3 days for Goodman to present a defense, with the findings presented to the full Senate on April 24th. Bodie Brooks, Fox 56 News.